Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions with benzene mechanism. Okay, now let us see, this is the substrate over there, chlorobenzene. What is the product is going to be? Okay, product is going to be something like aniline over here. Okay, aminobenzene. Okay, NH2 with these reagents, sodamide and liquid ammonia over there. Okay, let us see how the reaction mechanism takes place over here. Okay, base takes out the proton over there. After that, what happens? Negative charge will be generated over there. This negative charge donates the electron to form the pi bond over there. Elimination of chlorine takes place. After elimination of chlorine, what happens? We'll get 3 bonds over there, right? 1, 2 and this one. Okay, this particular molecule, what we can call it as benzene over here. Benzene. Okay, followed by the addition of liquid NH3, liquid ammonia gives what? Aminobenzene or aniline. Okay, now this is a symmetrical one. NH2 might be added anywhere, right? We can't differentiate the position over there, right? But similarly, let us see here. What do we have is that we have a isotopic carbon over there. With NH2, what happens? With base, what happens? Generation of benzene takes place, right? Here we have a isotopic carbon, right? Then followed by the addition of what is this liquid NH3, like NH2 group may come over here or over here, right? Let me write both the products over there. This is the isotopic carbon and NH2, here the isotopic carbon. Now in the first one, right, this one, the NH2 is added at the same position where the chlorine got out, right? This particular product is known as ipso product. Okay, IPSO. Okay, but here it is next to this particular chlorine, right? That's what these kind of products are known as sine product. Okay, this is only with the chlorine and all those stuff. Let us see with the substituents, like any other groups over there. Okay, now with respect to group, how the reaction takes place. Okay, what happens with the like NH2 base over there? Formation of benzene takes place, right? Here we can expect a benzene over there, and this is what it is, right? After this, by adding what is this liquid ammonia, what happens? NH2 may come over there or here, right? Let me write both the products. Both the products. What is this? Ipso product plus sine product. Right? This is ipso, this is sine, right? I'll give you the general data, okay, based on which you can remember which is going to be the major over there. Okay, now the substituent group, whatever the group is there, let me take the group over there. Let us assume this is the electron releasing group. Electron releasing group means with respect to inductive effect only. With benzene there is no mesomeric effect we can expect. Okay, plus I groups. Okay, if it is a plus I group, let me write this is a 1, this is a 2. Okay, there the 1 is measure comparatively with the second one. Okay, if the group is going to be electron withdrawing group, okay, that is minus I group, then second one is going to be the major one, that first one. Okay, this is the data we have to remember. Then what do we have here? The same thing, like what we can expect here is that we can expect 2 products over there, right? What is this? Sorry, NH2. What is the same reagents, right? Na, NH2 and liquid ammonia. Okay, and let me erase it. You just save this particular thing. Okay, and we'll also get addition product at the meta with respect to methyl group over there, right? Sorry, it is NH2. Which is going to be the major one? I have already mentioned. If the group is plus I group, right? Then what is going to be the major one? The first one, the ortho substituted one, is going to be the major one. Right? This is the major one over there. Okay. Now, is this electron releasing group? Yeah, electron releasing group, absolutely, but not with respect to inductive effect. If with respect to inductive effect, it is going to be the minus A group, means electron withdrawing group, right? If it is electron withdrawing group, what is going to be the major one over here? CH3, sorry, OCH3, right? OCH3 and H2 plus OCH3 and H2, right? Since it's the electron withdrawing group, this one is going to be the major one. This one is going to be the major one over there. Okay. Then let us see the another one over here. Once again, yeah, here. What we can expect here? We can expect two products again, right? Ortho one and meta with respect to chlorine. Yeah, which is going to be the major one? What is this one? This is minus A group, right? Minus A group means what? The meta one is going to be the major one. Major one. Make sure that the data which I have given, you can remember this one. Okay. Yeah, here we have chlorine over there, but we don't have adjacent hydrogens over there for the removal, right? That's what we can't expect this kind of reaction. This is nothing but elimination followed by addition reaction, right? Here we'll get two kinds of benzene over there. By the elimination of these two, one benzene. By the elimination of these two also, we'll get another benzene. That's what we'll get three kinds of products over there. How many products? Three products. G NH2 plus G NH2 plus NH2. Okay. Yeah, according to the group, plus A group or minus A group, we can decide the major product over there. Okay. Now let us see the again another thing. Okay, we can expect it's a symmetrical one. Either side is right one. Let us assume like this is the elimination group which is going to be eliminated over there, and benzene will be formed between these two carbon. Okay, then we will get two products over there, NH2 ipso product and sine product. Okay, this is what aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction with benzene mechanism. Thank you for watching.